What's up, you guys, and thank you for clicking onto my video. Welcome if you're new, welcome back if you're not. My name is Phylicia and this is Beautiful Green, the 4C Hair family. Today I am doing something so simple. We're all locked up in this house, so what am I going all out for? But I'm still looking kind of cute because you know I still need to take pictures. So I'm going to show you guys a quick, easy, cute style so you can just honestly wear around the house. So you ready? My hair is already washed, it's already conditioned, so we're just gonna get straight to it. Alright y'all, so I am all finished. As you see, I wrapped this around just to keep my bun tight and the ends are hanging out, but I have a sick pillowcase, so it doesn't matter. It ain't hitting no cotton. I'm mostly doing it just for the top part to be laid. Okay? So I will see you guys in a couple of days. Honestly, I don't really need to show you guys like how I'm gonna wear it because I'm gonna be wearing it normal. I'm not gonna try to hide it or put it up in a turban. I'm just gonna wear it like how it is. But I'll just put a little snippet of a vlog in there for you guys so you can see my kids, and I'll show you guys what the final product looks like. Alright guys, so it's been a couple of days since I did this hairstyle, so I'm just gonna go ahead and unravel it. It's gonna be real quick because of course it is simple. I did do my makeup for you guys because you know I still gotta look cute in the house under quarantine. Yeah. And just like that, I am finished. You see those waves up here? I don't even need to fluff it, because honestly, it's already fluffed. So yeah, this is honestly a very cute but at-home hairstyle that you guys could do, since we can't go nowhere but the grocery store. And I mean, why not look cute at the grocery store? If you're single, you can find your husband. If you're not single, you can probably skip in line because they think you're single, the usual. But yeah, and as you can see, the gel, although it was like curl enhancing gel, it held just fine. I had the scarf on. Let's see, I got a print. I had the scarf on for like some days though, so it probably like restricted it from curling it up. But it holds, y'all. It holds. So yeah, you can always fix the bun a little bit. My bun is loose. Squished. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Until next time, y'all.